From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10. Presented by Reliance Jio. Powered by Ford Ravin and Hike Messenger in style partner Raymond.
Ladies and gentlemen, we questioned the cover-up. This has been a relentless campaign. We confronted the ministers. We stung the key players. We investigated the truth that Netas wanted buried. But tonight there has been a very sensational admission by the politically connected Muzaffar mass rape prime accused. He has blown the lid off the entire conspiracy. Nitish was forced to sack his minister. But the big story today is this, that the mass rape main accused has said that he was in serious negotiations with the Congress party. What this means is that the Congress party knew that he had raped 36 children and was trying to bring him to fight the 2019 elections on a Congress party ticket. Talk of hypocrisy. Let's debate.
On The Debate tonight, an investigation that's shaken Bihar.
उनका कहना था मंत्री इस्तीफा दो, मंत्री इस्तीफा दो, मंत्री ने इस्तीफा दे दिया।
मैं कांग्रेस में जाने की सोच रहा था और मुजफ्फरपुर से चुनाव लड़ने के लिए लगभग मेरा स्थिति फाइनल था दिल्ली स्टेट पर।
After 7 days of relentless investigation by Republic TV,
मैं आप लोगों के माध्यम से माननीय उच्च न्यायालय से गुहार करती हूँ, वह सीडीआर पब्लिक डोमेन में दिया जाए और यह बताया जाए उस व्यक्ति से, ब्रजेश ठाकुर से सिर्फ और सिर्फ चंद्रशेखर वर्मा की बात होती थी या कोई और लोगों की बात होती थी।
Nitish Kumar, confronted by your channel, has now buckled. But the story of the mass rape cover-up is only just unraveling.
मैं कांग्रेस में जाने की सोच रहा था और मुजफ्फरपुर से चुनाव लड़ने के लिए लगभग मेरा स्थिति फाइनल था दिल्ली स्टेट पर। इसी का वह भड़ास निकाला।
Listen again.
मैं कांग्रेस में जाने की सोच रहा था और मुजफ्फरपुर से चुनाव लड़ने के लिए लगभग मेरा स्थिति फाइनल था दिल्ली स्टेट पर।
No wonder Rahul Gandhi spared Nitish government on Saturday.
देश में अजीब सा माहौल बन गया है। महिलाओं पर बलात्कार, आक्रमण।
Is this mass rape kingpin your star candidate, Rahul? Let's debate.
और पहला सवाल आज संजीव सिंह से है। Sanjeev Singh is the spokesperson of the Congress party in Bihar. Sanjeev Singh, please listen carefully. Vaibhav Agarwal, Rajiv Pandey of the BJP, Sunil Singh of JDU, Ashok Sinha of the BJP, Kansham Tiwari of Samajwadi Party, Shakti Singh Jadhav of the RJD, and Danish Rizwan. It's a very, very important revelation. ये बहुत बड़ा खुलासा है that the main accused in the mass rape case, जो सबसे बड़े अक्यूज्ड है, नंबर 1 अक्यूज्ड जो है इस केस में, बलात्कार के केस में, जिन्होंने 36 छोटी छोटी बच्चियों के साथ बलात्कार किया, द पर्सन Kansham, Danish and Shakti Singh Jadhav who raped 36 children.
Arnab, I am shocked that you are doing a national debate on the statement of
it has now come out. He says,
and says he is innocent.
He says
you are doing a national debate.
He says
implicating a party of a statement of an accused who's saying he's innocent, and in the meanwhile his call records are public. If you have done research, show his call records. Tell us.
Don't tell me what I should do because you did not pick up the issue. The bottom line is why are you getting jumpy, Kancha? Okay, I'll complete my sentence anyway. The point is that this person has said, I was going to join the Congress party and contest elections from the Congress party for Muzaffarnagar. It was almost set, which is why they are taking revenge. Now, point is this. Why would he say that I was about to join the Congress party? And if it is true that he was about to join the Congress party, everyone please, Ghanshyam, if it is true that he was about to join the Congress party, then how can the Congress party preach? Okay, Rajiv Pandey and Ghanshyam.
The best defense,
Rajiv, Vaibhav and Ghanshyam.
Ghanshyamji does not know that in that between 2001 and 2011
and debating the
6,000 child rapes were reported, which is just about 30% of the total report that had to happen. That is between 2001 and 2011 when Samajwadi Party and the BSP, their alliance partners in the so-called Mahagathbandhan. You know, Ghanshyam Tiwari ji does not want to speak about the 6,000 child rapes and explain, tell the nation today as to what did the Samajwadi Party do for all this time. But what do they want to do? They want to do politics, and I call it politics of rape.
Just don't disturb, please, 1 minute.
And I was on Jantar Mantar, but he was walking it. When Nitish Kumar was walking that
not in a show.
Protest,
what people who have no explanation, people who have paraded women without any dignity, naked.
The question is this, Ghanshyam, you'll have to be quiet. I'm saying this right now because I don't want to be disturbed. 1 minute. Ghanshyam, let me say this to you. First of all, you'll have to be quiet and listen to me. And then you speak, okay? And don't have to come out in defense of the Congress party so strongly. I mean, you're not officially with the Congress party. Question is this.
Do you believe that?
Question is, first of all, I don't need you to preach to me. First of all, okay, I'm saying, first of all, Ghanshyam, okay, don't irritate me now. 5 times I've told you.
No, you are irritating by saying that he's in.
Well, I'm irritating you, of course, because the Congress party is believed to be in talks with a mass rapist. It's irritating you.
You are saying he's getting implicated. What do you mean to say by saying that?
That's very unfortunate.
Are you playing a conspiracy theory that this man is getting implicated?
Okay, Ghanshyam, stop being so vociferous about it. Stop being so vociferous about it, because I need to complete a sentence. Don't stop me mid-sentence now. 4th time you've done it, now stop. I'll tell you one thing. What have you people done? Did you expose this? Did you reveal the role of Manju Yadav? Did you question Nitish? You're having talks with Nitish on the bylines. Did you question it? Did your people investigate this matter? Did you send someone to the shelter home? Did you ask questions about why 8-year-old children were being raped? You kept your mouth shut, so why are you speaking now?
At 12 o'clock, at 4 o'clock in the morning, in the night. Where is Rahul Gandhi? Where is Sonia Gandhi? Where is Robert Vadra?
Where is Prime Minister?
Where is the Gandhi family? Where is the Gandhi clan?
And we'll run the pictures of how that politicians, security people were beating up Republic TV reporters, and Ghanshyam Tiwari did nothing then, so don't tell me anything now. See the pictures for yourself. And the question tonight is this. The question is this. So, no, one sec. Okay. Question is this. The question is this. Please. Ashok Sinha, Sunil Singh. You think you're protected, Nitish? Very smart. You think we don't know who gave the money? You think Nitish did not order for 1 crore rupees to be given to his best friend, the rapist? To protect the rapist's friend, Nitish Kumar, he has sacked his minister. You know what Manju Verma's resignation means? Do you even know what it means? It's an admission of guilt of the Chief Minister. Why doesn't the Chief Minister quit?
The way you are addressing Honorable Nitish Kumar, I strongly protest and I doubt your intentions. Let me explain. There is no 1 crore given by the Chief Minister. I mean, where did you get through this information, this misinformation, this bias, and what kind of agenda that you are setting?
Fine. You have asked me this question.
I fail to understand. But I am lodging my protest. Now the
money was paid.
The thing is very clear.
Money was paid.
Congress leaders in Delhi,
money was paid.
Congress leaders in Delhi are accused of pampering Brajesh Thakur. The Mahagathbandhan promised Brajesh Thakur a ticket, and look at the duplicity of RJD's spokesperson.
How much advertising?
The two guests in Delhi.
Tata Kamal for printing.
The two guests.
And for
Danish Rizwan and Shakti Singh Yadav will respond to Sunil Singh. Danish Rizwan और शक्ति सिंह यादव सच बोलिए आज।
सुनील जी झूठ बोल रहे हैं, झूठ बोल रहे हैं।
क्या आप इस बलात्कारी को टिकट देने वाले थे? We'll have the two guests on both sides, please. Yeah.
आप बलात्कारियों को तो टिकट ये देते हैं, जिन लोगों के कर्नाटक विधानसभा के अंदर पॉर्न मूवीज देंगे। बलात्कारियों को संरक्षण किया गया। इससे पहले प्रदर्शन हुए टिकट डिपार्टमेंट के में लड़कियां ब्रजेश ठाकुर को लगातार फंडिंग किया। उसके बाद 2 महीने तक इस तथ्य को छिपाए रखा। नंबर 3, आप जो एड्स कंट्रोल सोसाइटी के तरफ से लगातार फंडिंग हुई, लोकल थाना इस संस्थागत
शक्ति सिंह स्पीकिंग
होने दिया। अब ब्रजेश ठाकुर को फंडिंग का पूरा प्रोटेक्शन गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से हुआ, एड सोसाइटी की तरफ से हुआ, पीआरडी की तरफ से हुआ, सोशल वेलफेयर की तरफ हुआ। मैं जानना चाहता हूं आपके चैनल के माध्यम से लोकल थाना के संरक्षण में बिना जिला परिषद के संरक्षण के ऊपर संस्थागत रेप जैसा होता है, कैसे समझ में इसलिए अकाउंटेबिलिटी तो देनी पड़ेगी। हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर फुल रिस्पांसिबल। इसलिए अरे भैया
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Shakti Singh और सुनील सिंह, I am requesting both of you. First of all, you be quiet. I'll run the full frame pictures of this gentleman. Today, ink was thrown on him. And after that, he made this statement. I want to run the pictures full frame, and I'm making a request while I'm doing this today. This is the pictures of ink being thrown at him. And after that, he went and said that I was in talks with the Congress party. Allow me. I do not want to speak over others. He said I was in talks with the Congress party. The Congress party was negotiating with me. So the fact is, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, which world are you in? You are negotiating with a mass rapist, and then you are going and lecturing to the people of this country that balatkariyon ko protection diya ja raha hai. And people like Ghanshyam Tiwari get upset when the truth is out. He says, I was in talks with the Congress party. Congress party knew he's a mass rapist and wanted to put him up as the face of the Mahagathbandhan in Muzaffarpur. So this is what happens in this country today, that being a mass rapist is a qualification to get a Congress party ticket. At least he said so. If there is a denial to it, why has a denial not come? Has there been a single denial to that? Single denial, Rajiv Pandey, till now on that. Not one single denial. Rajiv Pandey on the debate. Congress has not denied that it was in talks with a mass rapist. Rajiv Pandey. Ghanshyam, Rajiv is speaking, and after that you come in, please.
Do you believe
Rajiv.
No,
you are repeating your same line.
These monsters
everybody knows that he is a monster.
Rajiv and Ghanshyam.
And his hands are tied. He is in jail. You know, Arnab, Sushil Sharma.
Is he innocent?
1 second.
Is he innocent?
1 second.
Is he innocent?
Sushil Sharma
yes
Tandoor Khan.
Is he innocent?
He is not innocent.
Rajiv Pandey.
He is a criminal. Listen to me.
Why do you believe his conspiracy
Tandoor Khan of Sushil Sharma, you know, Rajiv Gandhi and his party, you remember in 1995, and when I was a student, the Congress party, the president, Sushil Sharma cut into pieces and put in tandoor. When I heard this statement, I just remembered Sushil Sharma. Congress is a party of people like this Brajesh,
so you believe his conspiracy theory?
And Brajesh is a criminal. Brajesh is a criminal.
You want to save him.
I am saying,
if you believe his conspiracy theory, you are trying to save him. And that is what your government is doing in Bihar.
Sushil Sharma will go to jail, and people like Ghanshyam Tiwari, I do not know why he is defending Congress. Congress has realized that their mistake has come up.
On Jantar Mantar to push this government, to make this minister resign, to ask questions of this government. Why did they abdicate?
party members of. When you were speaking, I did not speak.
I don't want the press from Patna right now, please.
I am only saying, Notanki will not help Mr. Ghanshyam Tiwari. People have already put you into the dustbin.
Danish speaking with
leader Rahul Gandhi has already supported him.
Danish is speaking.
आप CDR को सार्वजनिक क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
Custody. How you can say that what he is saying that is wrong?
से लोग
He is a criminal.
क्यों नहीं
He is a criminal. No, I do not believe him. I am only saying he is a criminal.
डिमांड किया है कि कौन-कौन
It should be investigated. I am demanding CBI. Listen.
बस हो गया. ये नहीं चलेगा.
CBI should investigate this point also. CBI should investigate this point also.
One minute. I want to ask Sanjeev Singh, who's spokesperson of the Bihar Congress. Sanjeev Singh, only Sanjeev Singh and me, please. Nobody else. Sanjeev Singh ji, can you hear me? Aapko meri awaaz aa rahi hai. Sanjeev Singh, tell me one thing. One thing. How long was the Congress party negotiation with the mass rapist going on?
Thakur, he was not a Congress primary member.
He is not a primary member, okay?
Hello?
What was his equation with the Congress party? Yeah, what was his equation with the Congress party?
Not a Congress primary member.
Yes.
Nor he has visited Congress office. Recently, Mr. Nitish Kumar, he has visited Muzaffarpur just a couple of months back. And this prime accused, Mr. Brajesh Thakur, he has shared the dais of Nitish Kumar in front of Sushil Modi and the local urban development
Sunil Singh is responding. Sunil Singh.
And Brajesh Thakur, he has submitted one book and one memento to Nitish Kumar. So where is that Susasan Babu? Why Nitish Kumar is not taking resignation
Ashok
of
Sinha.
Mr. Suresh Sharma, who is urban development minister of Muzaffarpur?
In Delhi for ticket in Muzaffarpur for 2019.
He is very much related with JDU as well as BJP. After Manju Verma resignation, why Brajesh Thakur? Why Suresh Sharma is not giving resignation? Where is Nitish Kumar Susasan government? Why Nitish Kumar is
Ashok Sinha
like that?
Ashok Sinha.
Congress party is asking continuously this resignation since a week, 10 days. We have been doing this protest against Nitish government.
Ashok Sinha is responding.
We have conducted this Muzaffarpur Bandh also.
I requested Ashok Sinha to respond to him. Ashok Sinha is responding. Thank you. Ashok Sinha.
No. Why you are blaming Congress party? Because if one accused is telling that he may join, it is not a confirm that he is a party member.
Yes.
Arnav, you just listen to me. Hello?
It's a self-confession. Yeah. It's a self-confession by Brajesh Thakur, and it so happens in RJD and Congress that people negotiate at the highest level. They purchase ticket and they do all sorts of things. Brajesh Thakur found that the BJP has already occupied that Muzaffarpur seat. It was obvious for him to negotiate with Congress, and that is why he has made the self-confession.
Member of Janata Dal United. He has been long time. Brajesh Thakur is a primary member of Janata Dal United.
Don't try to mislead. Don't try to mislead.
Sunil, let Ashok speak. Sunil, let Ashok speak, please. Let Ashok speak. Thank you, Sunil. The debate is on between Sanjeev Singh of the Congress, and Ashok Sinha of the BJP. Restricted to that. Go on.
The whole nation knows, but the whole country knows that Brajesh Thakur was negotiating with Congress. He has made the self-confession that the ticket was confirmed at the highest level. Everybody knows, the whole country knows that tickets in RJD and Congress are sold at the highest level. So where is the question of being the primary member?
Why Nitish Kumar is not asking resignation
Many
of
people
Mr.
have got
Sushil
ticket
Modi,
by that
who is
bill.
deputy CM,
So don't try
presented
to
on that
deviate
day
it
with
and don't try
Brajesh
to
Thakur.
confuse.
Where is
Don't
Nitish
try to
Kumar
confuse.
Sushasana face?
Mislead.
Why government is
It's a
not taking
fact.
resignation of
Watching
other
this
ministers?
debate. Just 1 minute, just 1 minute, just 1
Supporting
minute.
Brajesh
1 minute,
Thakur.
1 minute. Can you
And
just
finally,
pause
when
for
the
1 minute?
bills have come out,
Can you just
people are
pause?
trying to play
Can you just pause? Can you just pause for 1 minute? Can you just pause? I want to pause on the debate right now. No. You stop now, sir. I listen to you, sir. Now let me say something. I'm speaking to the audience. I'm speaking to people watching this program. Whether you are watching this program in any part of this country, I want you to reflect for 1 minute, viewers. I place on air the pictures of the person we are talking about. He's a mass rapist. And you know what's happening in this country, viewers? All political parties are running after this man because they want this man with them. So all political parties, BJP, JDU, RJD, Congress, all alliance. In Bihar, the hottest political party is the political property, the person who everybody is dying to keep on their side. The person, 1 minute, Vaibhav, let me speak. Every political party is wooing this man. And you ask us, why do qualified people don't get into politics? You ask us today, why does the citizen not feel like coming into politics? You ask us today, where are the good people in politics? Where are the young people in politics? Well, I say today openly, in this country, this is the man who all sides want. And the greatest hypocrisy in this case, I want 1 full minute to speak, please, is that all political parties, viewers, are running behind this man. And they have been running behind this man for the last many years. He has been on all sides. Nitish Kumar shares the stage with him, and the Congress party wants him to defect and join their party. It is not without reason that he has said today that I was in discussion with the Congress party to join. With what face does Rahul Gandhi go and talk about who is organizing Balatkar when the fact of the matter is that his own party leaders are in negotiations with this man? Is what he has said here today, the fact that he has said what he has said here today, you know, he's smiling away. You know why he's smiling, viewers? When he's getting handcuffed, this rapist is smiling. You know why? Because he has got Nitish Kumar who is giving him money, and you've got the Congress party who's trying to poach him. And this man has committed unspeakable crimes on small children. And he's smiling because all political parties want him. They don't care whether he's a rapist, whether he's raped one child or 10 or 36. He is getting funding for it. Sunil Singh, let me speak the truth. I want viewers to answer. You know, people also ask me, why have you been following this news report on Republic for so many days? What is your vested interest? My vested interest is to expose the political system which genuinely allows this. And viewers, I'll give you a living example, and Ghanshyam Tiwari is speaking a lot today, but let me tell you one thing. Does he have the guts to ask why Rahul Gandhi not once has ever mentioned Nitish Kumar?
Not even tweeted.
He has not. And you know, Rahul Gandhi has not once questioned the same Rahul Gandhi. There he comes, Rahul Gandhi's supporter. I'll speak anyway. Ghanshyam, I'll speak anyway. I'll tell you why. Don't teach me, Ghanshyam Tiwari. Don't teach me. Don't teach me what to do and what not to do. Don't teach us journalism. When Nirbhaya happened, where were you? Where were you when Nirbhaya happened? Where were you and where was Rahul Gandhi? Where were the whole lot of you? Where were you when Nirbhaya happened? 1 second, I'll speak. I don't want to strain my throat. But viewers, I ask you this. I ask you these hypocrites. I want to speak. I can't speak over him. I want to speak directly to the audience, please. I will speak today. And this is what Ghanshyam does not want me to speak. You know what Ghanshyam Tiwari does not want me to say today, viewers? You know what he does not want me to say? He does not want me to say anything against Rahul Gandhi. Because if I say where was Rahul Gandhi during when Nirbhaya happened, he feels embarrassed. Why, Ghanshyam? And when Rahul Gandhi was in the Congress and Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister, and all the young people of Delhi came to Vijay Chowk, they were thrown water cannons at by that same Congress government. Where was Rahul Gandhi then? What happened at that point of time? Who spoke? Who expressed themselves? Who came out on the streets? You want to lecture us now? And now they want to tell us, why are you reporting this case? Why I'm reporting it because the fact of the matter is this. Ask yourself, do a Google search, do a videotape search, viewers, but please do it. I want to ask you, please don't debate with each other in Delhi studio. Let me say, at least listen to me right now, Vaibhav. I'll tell you one thing. Find one point find one example here, one example where Rahul Gandhi has said anything against Nitish Kumar. He hasn't and he won't. And you know why? You know why? You know why, viewers? Because there's a back channel conversation going on. There's a back channel conversation going on. There is a back channel conversation. You want me to बोल दूं सबको बोल दूं मैं अरे भाई there is a discussion. There's a discussion between Congress and JDU. There is a discussion between Congress. You are getting animated. You know why? Because the JDU, the party you left, is in talks with the party you are in alliance with. There's a discussion between Congress and JDU. So he will not say anything on Nitish. So you are using even rape for politics.
All these BJP walas believe in his innocence. That is the reason this man was at large.
There is no innocence.
One second. All these BJP people believe in his innocence. That is why he is at large. And somewhere you believe in his innocence. That is why you are taking his line.
One second.
Today your line is same as the line of British Thakur. There is no difference.
Vaibhav and Ghanshyam, please look at each other and debate. Please.
Yeah, 1 minute. I want to ask Ghanshyam, just in a previous debate, I tried asking him, and I am asking very calmly. We are debating and understanding that, okay, something like this has happened. There's a political link, etc., etc. 1 minute. 1 minute. No. 1 minute. 1 minute. This is not justified. Let's be decent about it. Ghanshyamji, let me give me 10 seconds. You take 20. I am okay to it. No. That's not right. See, you are not allowing me to speak because you fear that you will be exposed. You are fearing your exposure on this. Ghanshyamji, you need to listen to me. Ghanshyamji, be an intellectual and be a gentleman and listen to me. I did not interfere when you were speaking. 1 minute.
Give to our daughters.
1 minute. I'll tell you what we will give to our daughters. When we politicize this matter, I call it 1 minute, Ghanshyamji.
Speaker, Beti Bachao, every family sitting in their homes, believe
the fact is,
doing
that is what daughters of this country are doing.
Nobody can.
The fact is, is it a fact or not? Okay, let me ask you, Ashok Sinha and Sunil Singh. I have one question. I have one question. Why have all political parties, all national and Bihar political parties been chasing one man? That is Brajesh Thakur. His only qualification is that he's a rapist. And everybody knew he... No, 1 second. No, let me complete. Everybody... Did you not know? Did you not know he's a rapist? Did you not know that he's a rapist? Did you not know he's a rapist, sir?
He has made the confession.
Okay.
He has made the confession that he is a congressman.
Really? And you want me to expose you?
At the highest level.
Okay. Sunil Singh and Ashok Sinha, listen to one question. You are helping him.
Yeah.
And please, okay, I'll tell you why you're helping him. Because when he got arrested, immediately you told him there is no need to go to jail. We will fix the system for you. हमने सब setting कर दी है. हमने सब फिक्स कर दिया है. आप चुपचाप बोलिए आपका ब्लड प्रेशर है और आप अस्पताल में डिलक्स रूम में बैठिए. आप जैसे बड़े लोगों को जेल के कटघरे में रहने की जरूरत नहीं है. हॉस्पिटल में बिठा के रखा है. Is it a truth or not? Is it a fact or not? That this man, Danish is there. Danish is speaking. Danish first. Danish.
6 महीने पहले की फोटोग्राफ है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी का मंच है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मंच पर आप देखिए ब्रजेश ठाकुर बैठा है. ये 6 महीने पहले की फोटोग्राफ है. 6 महीने पहले आप अपने मंच पर बैठा करके इसकी आरती उतार रहे हैं रेपिस्ट की. और आप कह रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस का मेंबर है. ये 6 महीने पहले की फिक्स है. 6 महीने पहले ब्रजेश ठाकुर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के
viewers, I repeat now.
गवर्नमेंट ने अप्रोच किया कि हम फैसिलिटी जेल में दे रहे हैं. आप इसको रिलीज करवा देते हैं जाने के लिए. और ये आप इनको भगवा गमछा उड़ा रहे हैं. ये नहीं तस्वीर.
Viewers, tomorrow, starting midnight tonight, I have an announcement to make. Starting midnight tonight, there should be a mass protest. Let it be on social media anywhere to take this rapist out of his hospital bed or hospital suite from the luxury accommodation that the Nitish Kumar government is providing him and to put him in jail. As of now, he is getting 5-star treatment in jail because his friend Nitish is allowing it. And we say here today, we will announce soon how you can raise your voice against that injustice. And once again, irony of the day, biggest irony of the week, pictures of this man, representative today of the most sought-after commodity in Indian politics. Viewers, think about it. Just think about it for a minute. Like this, a rapist is the most sought-after commodity in Indian politics. A mass rapist is the most wanted man by all political parties in Indian politics. This is what politics has come down to.